Thanks for watching Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. This is what we have today to go in our sangria. It's going to be fruit. We have raspberries, sugar, lemon juice, peaches, mango and oranges. We have blueberries, strawberries, club soda, and we have 2 bottles of rosé. Hi, and thanks for viewing Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style this Super Bowl weekend. Thanks for viewing. Today we're going to have a delicious sangria. It's going to have all types of fruit in it, so let's get started. We're going to start off with our rosé. We're going to pour some in our container. Add a little sugar to that. Now I purchased the sweet sangria, but I'm still going to add a little sugar for sweetness. Going to stir that up a bit, and then we'll add the rest. Now we'll start to add our fruit. We have raspberries, we have blueberries, we have lemon juice, freshly squeezed from 2 lemons. We have oranges and mango. Peaches. Strawberries. We have another bottle of rosé for our sangria. And now we're going to add our club soda. We're going to stir that a little, and that's it. Look at all of that fruit. That is absolutely delicious. Thanks for viewing Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style for today's segment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.